In this video, I'll talk about MemberMouse's account sharing protection functionality. By default, the account sharing protection functionality is enabled. And the way it works is that MemberMouse will inspect login events over a 24-hour period for each account. If within a 24-hour period, a certain account is logged into from over 5 different IP addresses, then MemberMouse will automatically lock that account, as this is a strong sign that the account credentials are being shared. If you want, you can disable account sharing protection altogether by unchecking this item and saving the settings. Also, if you want to make the account sharing protection configuration more or less strict, you can change the number of IP addresses checked here. Increasing the number will make it less strict, while decreasing the number will make it more strict. I'm going to keep this at 5 and save the settings. Now when an account is locked, this will have no effect on the billing aspects of the account. And if we go to Manage Members, we can see what it looks like. So for this account, the status is locked. And if we go to Manage Access Rights, we can see that we can unlock the account by clicking here. If you want, you can audit the account activity by going back to the General tab, and next to Logins, clicking View Details, and you'll be able to see all the login events and the IP addresses associated with those login events. So you can establish whether or not you believe the activity was actually fraudulent or not. And in the meantime, if this member tries to log in, they'll be sent to an error page and they'll be informed that their account has been locked.